A very warm welcome to the Learning Home. In this quick tutorial, we are going to discuss how to add image as a watermark in the PDF document using Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. So imagine a situation when you have a company logo, or if you want to put some kind of images in the background of any PDF file, you can use this feature. So let's get started. And you will see the watermark option is here. If you are not able to see it on your screen, what you can do, you can go to the Tools tab and press Edit PDF, and you will see the watermark option is here now. And now what we're going to do, we are going to press it here, press Add, and then you will see a dialog box has appeared, and you will see the option called File, and you have to define the location of the file, and I'm going to define as one of the image file, or you can insert even the PDF file. So I'm going to insert an image file here first, and you will see the preview is here. There is a little bit correction you have to do in terms of making it a little bit better. So the first correction you have to do is to change the opacity level, change to best media preference. I'm going to make it around 50%. And second thing is that we have to define the scale related to the target page. If you want to make it 50%, if it is fine for you, please be with that. If you want to make it bigger, you can make it bigger. And third change you have to make it is appear behind the page. So the normal text will appear over this image. So this is the few changes we have to do. And I think when we are set, then we can press OK, or if you have to adjust, you can adjust here. Then I'm going to press OK here, and you will see it is very nicely seen over here. So that is all about this tutorial, and I hope it has given you an idea about how to add image as a watermark tool.